guys, it's me, Charice, and my special visitor again,
Chloe.
We're opening our pet series 3 wave 2.
Last day we just opened the confetti pops. Now we're opening the pet.
Let's just open it right here.
Okay, I did it.
Mine says dress up, see?
What's my secret message? How come they make it so hard to find?
Oh, yours is, oh, it's stick here.
Oh.
It is Flashback Friday.
Flashback Friday.
So we're just gonna put our secret messages here so you can see.
Okay, now let's open the second layer.
Yeah, which is the collectible stickers.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, I did it! I just did it.
Well, mine is opening up like this at the side. Oh, mine is a yellow box.
Oh, here's the secret. Here's the
Collectible stickers.
Yeah. Well, this was also like the confetti pie, but no.
This, we have color change, spit, tinkles, or cry, or the mystery surprise. See?
It's spitting water out of the ears.
Yeah.
No, why is my one sideways again?
That's okay, right?
Oh no. Chad, can you help me open?
Mine is straight.
Hi.
We're just reviewing.
Can you just stop appearing in here?
Oh, I know what is that bump for. This one. The little bumpies.
Okay.
And we're gonna crack it open. Okay.
You need to show it. Hey, what I get is this. Like that, okay?
We get the kitty litter or the doggy litter here.
Yeah.
Because, or a bunny litter, because, or a hamster litter.
Is that yours?
Yeah, this, yeah. How do we open? Wait, that's the doll. I mean the pup.
I want to open the accessories.
Yeah, me too.
Oh,
I think this is the
can
bottle.
You help me?
Oh,
I
look.
see something squishy. I got the bottle too.
Oh, I got fizzy fan.
What?
Fizzy. I got fuzzy fan.
Fuzzy fan.
Yeah, it's Fanny's little puppy. you get a bunny. Jitter critter.
Little criddle.
Yeah. Time to open up our next surprise.
That means I got a bunny little. What? Papa, can you help me?
It's too hard to open.
Is this the accessory? Can you help me too?
Oh, I got a little kitty scoop. Oh, look, I got a little kitty scooper that my dad
Oh my
opened
goodness,
for
I
me.
got the camera.
Oh, look, it has jitterbug and jitter critter. Oh my god, it's so
No.
cute. Wait. Oh my god, it's way too cute. I'm gonna put it here. So I'm
I
gonna...
can't believe it. I'm so lucky.
Okay, where's my doll? Oh yeah, here. And this is, I believe it's a hat. Oh, look, it's a big blind bag. Open. Hey, I can open it for you.
So, say cheese, little Dawn.
Why these LOL surprise pack blind bags are too? Hey, ask my dad. He's the opening up LOL pieces master. Look, I got a little bray, like for painting.
Oh my goodness. That means you got a painting one or something?
No, it's Fanny's little kitty.
Maybe
So-
you got Santa Pop.
Fanny, Fuzzy Fan. Actually, the real name is Fuzzy Fan, but I don't like to call the dog Fuzzy Fan, so I just call it Fanta Pop. We're
Oh
opening.
yeah, I got a bunny on it. And it's black one. Ew.
Okay, I already opened up my letter. Wait, open up this first. Open up this first. the pet glass. I'm gonna open it up for you if you cannot.
Okay.
Ah.
Oh, the big one. I want to see the bunny.
No, you can't. That's cheating. Here's your letter. We're gonna open it up first. And oh, I got green sand. I got blue sand. See, blue sand.
What should I open? There.
It is hard, but not. Oh, you got pink sand.
Yeah. And it says we've got a little surprise inside.
So we need to take our scoopers, which mine is blue and hers is black, and we're gonna scoop it out. I'm gonna scoop the poop first.
Yeah. Ew.
Oh, look, I got a little color.
Is this mine?
Yeah, it's yours.
I'm going to put it in.
Oh, look, I got a little color.
You got a little color. I wonder what I got. Scoop. Oh, I think I see it. I see it. I see something blue.
I'm gonna close this up and I'm gonna wait for you.
Okay.
Since you're my best cousin in the world.
Yeah, and
Even though-
accidents happened.
Yeah. But remember, if someone says sorry, you cannot tell anymore. At least, like, it's hurt and what happened. And then you need to tell everything what happened, but you also need to say, she already said sorry. So that's okay. I'll put my little color between the scooper and the hat. Hey, do you know, the first time I ride on the flamingo, I go to front and then the flamingo flipped me over and then I sink. But good thing my saved me.
Who's your
You know who owned Jenna?
No. Do you think I also got a little color? No way.
Oh, you got a little necklace.
Really? What?
Look, Chloe got a little necklace, see?
Okay.
Okay.
So that was fun.
And then you need to put it here. And then the big reveal is our pets. I'm gonna open it.
Are you an expert?
Yeah, I think.
Look,
I got
one! Look at this! What is...
Look, I got Fuzzy Fan. Look, she got a heart here. One is blonde and then the other side is black.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe my one is second.
Okay, we're gonna dress them up with
Okay,
their
here's the
like
little
little
necklace.
accessories. Here's
she
Fuzzy Fan. Her beret. Her hat.
Yay, she got
Wait,
a little
let me
color.
see if I am right to say her name. I believe
Where's my checkers? Oh.
I believe that your bunny's name Jitter Critter. Yeah, look, Jitter Critter, and she's a fancy. And mine is a popular.
Your one is a popular.
Yeah. I got Fuzzy Fan and she got Jitter Critter.
Hum.
And I got Fuzzy Fan. This one here. See? Fuzzy Fan. So I'm gonna get my sticker. Wait, and I'm gonna get my sticker, but I don't know what surprise she's gonna do. I don't know if she is the spitting one or the crying one. I hope spitting because I don't want.
What did you get?
I got Fuzzy Fan. She come with a collar and also a hat.
What did Chloe get? Ulang. Okay, show me what you get and Chloe get, Charice. One, two.
I got
Wait.
Fuzzy Fan. Put on the camera. Put on the camera. Put on the camera.
1, 2,
I got Fuzzy.
Wait, yeah.
I got
Wait. Okay.
I got Fuzzy Fan and Chloe got Jitter Critter. She
And-
comes and Jitter Critter.
My one is a fancy.
She got Jitter Critter. Mine is a popular and hers is a fancy.
got Jitterbug, but I still got Jitterquiddle. I so laughable.
Yeah, if you get Jitterbug, you get a match. Like, oh my god.
Come.
I'm gonna
Maggie.
put all
Look at this. It's wolves.
rolls.
So what did you get?
Jitterquiddle. I already said just now.
And mine is Fuzzy Fan. She got a little heart here that is blonde, and then the other side is a black heart.
And you see my ears. They're black and like.
I'll get the water.
Okay.
Warm water, because none of them color change.
One of them color change. No way, my one tingles. No.